Stan Jabalisco here, proprietor and operator of amateur radio station W1GV Whiskey 1 Good Vibrations. If you've been following the news, you can hardly miss the fact that Hurricane Lane, now downgraded or soon to be downgraded to tropical storm status, is still sort of hovering over Hawaii. In some parts of the islands, they've seen upwards of 40 inches of rain, as I understand it. It's a massive system, and it made me wonder, what sort of effects would a storm like that have on tropospheric propagation? Now, of course, you're not going to go out in a boat and check to see how it affects propagation. You'd be insane to go out in a boat anywhere near a system like that. But on the islands themselves, say if you want to communicate from Hilo to Honolulu, you might want to use tropospheric propagation on the VHF and UHF bands, bending, ducting, or even possibly troposcatter. I wonder if any of you have any experience with tropical storms and hurricanes and how they affect tropospheric propagation, bending, ducting, and troposcatter. If you do, I would appreciate your input. I would hope that you would, I will allow links, I think, perhaps in your comments, but just make sure that they're clean, and viewers who look at the videos, if there are any comments with links, please beware of the possibility that hackers could get in and infect them with malware. That's why I am so reluctant to allow links in my comments on my videos. But in this case, I think I'll make an exception if you can find a link to something meaningful, some answers to this question. How do tropical weather systems, notably hurricanes, typhoons, cyclones, or whatever they want to call them, it depends what part of the world you're in, how do storms like this affect tropospheric propagation? They must have some effect, especially because of the predominant wind shear evident in the wind steering currents of this particular hurricane. But just the disruption of the troposphere itself by a system like that, you would expect it would have some kind of an effect. What effect? What happens? We'd all like to know, wouldn't we? Stan Jabalisco, W1GV, saying 73, and so long, which, whatever kind of propagation may be involved, always, in my native fist, translates to da-da-da-da-da-da.